Welcome to our first-time home buyers workshop. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know about the home buying process, from pre-approval to closing and beyond. Have you ever considered the benefits of owning a home as opposed to renting one? It's a common question that crosses the minds of many, especially those preparing to make their first significant investment in a property. So let's explore the advantages of becoming a homeowner and discuss 8 benefits of owning your own home. The tax benefits. Did you know you can deduct the interest you pay on your mortgage, your property taxes, and some of the costs involved in buying a home? Appreciation. Home values in California have doubled over the last 10 years, with home values increasing over 10% in the last 12 months alone, and the median sale price is $816,800. According to the California Association of Realtors, the median home price is forecast to climb 6.2% to over $860,000 in 2024. Home equity. Money paid for rent is money that you'll never see again, but mortgage payments let you build equity ownership interest in your home. Building equity in your home is a ready-made savings plan, and when you sell, you can generally take up to $250,000, $500,000 for a married couple, as gain without owing any federal income tax. Predictability. Unlike rent, your fixed-rate mortgage payments don't rise over the years, so your housing costs may actually decline as you own the home longer. However, keep in mind that property taxes and insurance costs will likely increase. Freedom. The home is yours. You can decorate any way you want and choose the types of upgrades and new amenities that appeal to your lifestyle. Stability. Remaining in one neighborhood for several years allows you and your family time to build long-lasting relationships within the community. It also offers children the benefit of educational and social continuity. Pride of ownership. Perhaps the greatest benefit of homeownership is the sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with owning your own piece of the American dream. There's nothing quite like the feeling of walking through the front door of your own home and knowing that it's yours truly and completely. Of course, buying a home is a significant commitment and one that should be made with careful thought and planning. Let's discuss some of the common fears and misconceptions that may arise during your path to home ownership. Can I afford to buy a home right now? Until you do the math, you don't know what you can or can't afford. Are you paying rent? You may be able to buy a home. You'll be putting your rent toward paying for your own home, not someone else's. In addition, there are tax savings that can often make up most of the difference between rent and a mortgage payment. I can't buy a home because my credit isn't good. There are always options. Shame doesn't bring you closer to owning a home or having good credit. There are typically 2 types of credit challenges: poor credit history or no credit history. Both have solutions, and even if you have poor credit, you should still talk to me. You might be pleasantly surprised at the outcome. Most of the time, we're able to help you resolve your credit challenges. I don't have 20% saved for the down payment. There are a variety of down payment options available to you. There are loan programs for first-time buyers with down payments as low as no money down. Thinking you have to wait to save up for a down payment may actually cost you money due to delaying all the financial benefits of home ownership. So you may be asking yourself, how do I get started? Let's break down the path to home ownership. The first step should be to get pre-approved. This is where I come in. A mortgage pre-approval shows you how much home you qualify for. The best time to get a pre-approval is before you start house hunting. This can be 2 months or a year in advance. Do whatever makes sense for you. Once you have been pre-approved, you are now ready to find a real estate agent. There are many realtors out there, but choosing one that is transparent, trustworthy, and reliable should be a priority when starting your home buying journey. Now, the fun part starts as you start looking for your perfect home. You'll want to make a list of what you want and what you don't. What size home? How many stories? Do you want a large lot? Do you want a pool? How many bedrooms or bathrooms? The list can go on and on. Don't get discouraged. You'll begin to narrow your search as you start looking at homes and get a better idea of what your perfect home really looks like. Once you find a house you love, you'll make an offer and negotiate the detail with the help of your real estate agent. Once your offer has been accepted, the home appraisal will determine the value of a home with an inspection from a qualified third-party appraiser. Home inspectors look at the interior and exterior of the home, covering everything from plumbing to the foundation, and title companies perform a title search to determine who owns the property for sale and has the right to sell it, as it shows sellers that you're serious and financially capable. Last but certainly not least is closing on your new home. When the closing reports are complete, you'll receive a closing disclosure to review and finalize your loan. This specifies the loan's terms and costs with exact figures. You and the seller will sign the final paperwork, transfer the necessary funds, and you'll get your keys. Throughout this process, I'll provide you personalized guidance. As an experienced mortgage broker, I provide personalized guidance tailored to each client's unique financial situation and homeownership goals. I take the time to understand their needs and preferences, offering customized solutions that best fit their circumstances. With years of experience in the mortgage industry, I have a deep understanding of the market, loan products, and qualification requirements. I stay updated on the latest trends and regulations to ensure my clients receive accurate and informed advice throughout the home buying process. Unlike traditional lenders who offer limited loan products, I have access to a wide network of lenders including banks, credit unions, and mortgage companies. This allows me to shop around and compare options to find the most competitive rates and terms for my clients. Buying a home can be overwhelming, especially for first-time buyers. I streamline the mortgage process, guiding clients through each step and providing clear explanations along the way. From pre-approval to closing, I strive to make the experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. By working with me, first-time homebuyers can save valuable time and money. I handle the legwork of researching loan options, negotiating terms, and coordinating with lenders, freeing up my clients to focus on finding their dream home. Additionally, I help clients secure the most favorable rates and terms, potentially saving them thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. My commitment to clients doesn't end at closing. I provide ongoing support and guidance, assisting with any questions or concerns that may arise even after they've moved into their new home. I strive to build long-term relationships based on trust, reliability, and exceptional service. Congratulations on taking the first step toward homeownership. So if you're ready to make your dream of homeownership a reality, I'm here to help. Call me today. A 5-minute call is all it takes to take the next step toward owning your dream home. We'll discuss your goals, explore loan options, and create a personalized plan that fits your needs and budget.